In last class, here we discussed about button and text view. Right, while clicking the button, just we are displaying here to text views like hello. Instead of hello world, we are displaying something here. But what is my requirement is here now. Initially, I don't want to like initially while logging itself, it is displaying the hello world. Right, I don't want to display this hello world initially. But once you click the user click on that button, it should display that. So for that, what we will do, let me clear this. Wait, once this UI is loaded here, now that we can able to see first here, then we can remove that and we will see that output is. Yes, correct. Almost done. The dependencies is taking time now. Maybe some of the dependencies are updating here now compared to the last time. It's taking too much time. Okay, what we will do is I'll remove this first. Then parallelly, I'll run this in a mobile. So at least we can see in a mobile. Here we have mobile. I have deleted the tab is not here in mobile. Okay, we have in a mobile. Let us see here now. I have connected the mobile. First, at least we will see in mobile that output. Then we can continue the next step. So here, this is the. See, initially it was displaying here. Now hello world, but I have removed here. So once I have removed here the hello world, like how it will be performed, like once you click on that, now what is happening here now? It is displaying good evening. Like here, how are you? Like good evening will display or not, we will see now. Even if we remove that label, it will work or not, that we will see first. Then how it will affect that UI, that we will see now. It is running once that app is built, we will see that. I think something is updated in last 2 days that Android Studio said that's why it is taking too much time to build the gradles. And now it is installed in mobile. See here, now we can see here, now this is not there here. So I have clicked on this. Now, once I click on this, so it is displayed that content. So that is working fine, means it is working fine. But I don't want like that. Initially, when it was not there, I don't want to empty space there. Instead of the empty space, I want to be like here. See, now I have deleted that from recent app. Now I'm opening. So now it is empty. Instead of empty, this would like to move to the up. So that I have to do that. So for that here now I'm adding one property called visibility. So there is a property called visibility. Initially I'll put that visibility as gone. So that what happens here, that space could not be occupied by this. Now here I'm putting the gone. Right. So once I have put this gone, now here we will see here. See, this has moved. See, previous like before applying the gun, see, it should be like this. Now I have applied the gun, so it should be like this. But again, when you apply the gun here, now here, once user click on this here, now you know you would like to add one thing. That is again, you need to make that visible. So here now I'm adding that binding dot tv1 dot. So set and get both are same, right? That's why I'm adding the set visibility means visibility equal to. So that is view dot. So view dot visible. So view dot visible. So I added that view dot visible, right? Now this view we have to import. So I have imported the view. Then I'm running this. Now we will see. So this view dot visible, like based on this, now we will add some more functionality once we'll see this output. So this is main and important, like in a different case scenarios we will use that we will discuss. But let me see first this output, then we'll discuss on that. Now it is running. We will see now. Yeah, now see, I'm clicking on this. It is displaying like this. So this is like for this now, we have this things, three different things. So that we will discuss here now. So what is the three different things? Like visible, invisible, that property we can use total in a three ways that we will discuss. So for that, I'm opening the XML. Let me open the XML. So in this XML now, the first one, the first button here, just let me copy this button code here. And this, instead of this, I'm changing this as a visible. Instead of this, I'm changing visible. Even for this VT1 also, I'm changing as a visible. Then here now, I add here the next one, that is invisible. So invisible text also I'm changing as invisible. Then last button, I have added the last button, that is gone. So gone. This also I change as a gone. Done. Right. Now we can go and we can assign, you can add here this. So this one we changed as a visible, right? So we have to change here, right? Similar here now, I'll put this binding dot. Binding dot. Visible dot. Set on click. Oh, sorry, visible already done, right? Invisible. Invisible dot. Set on click listener. Right, within this listener, just for the button one, I'm adding the property called invisible. So that is the TV1 dot. So visibility. So we are setting the visibility equal to, that is view dot invisible. So invisible dot. Like similar, we will make that next one is the gone. So that gone also will add here. So that is a binding dot. Binding dot. Gone dot. Set on click listener. So for this, again, I'm adding here, that is binding dot. Binding dot. TV1 dot. Visibility equal to view dot. Gone. Right, I have added the three properties. Now we will see this output. So here it is launching. See, visible. So it is visible, invisible. So just the text content is hide, that space remains same. Because if I click on gone, that with space also means gone means including the space it will hide, and invisible means only the content will hide. Visible means the content and space everything will be visible, right? So these three where we can use. These three we can use in many places. Like for example, I'm creating one form like a job application. So let us say based on the gender, I have to decide some of the fields should be hide and some of the fields should be not hide. So like let us say I have selected the male. So certain fields should be displayed for me. That will display it. Like you selected the female. So certain fields should be displayed for that. Like that, it should be, we use this visibility property on those cases, right? That is about the button and text. Like now, for the same here, I want to be add one more next component. That is a checkbox. Checkbox means where user can has select the multiple options. So that check we can say as the checkbox. So match parent, graph content. For this, I'm giving an ID. That is checkbox. Then text size 20 sp, text style italic, text color, so something text color. Next, text all caps true. Next, text checkbox. Then some margin. I'm giving the 10 dp margin and padding 10 dp padding. Done. So created like this. Done. Now here for this, now like before adding that one, I'll directly run. Means that here we can see what is the advantage of this. Now selection and deselection will work without clicking that listener, that one. So that we will see here now. Here now, checkbox checking this selection work. Right, for this, based on this, we have to perform some action, right? So that we will see here now. How that will work, that we will see here. For that here now, in a Kotlin class. So here now, what I'm doing here now, that is a binding dot the checkbox dot set on checked change listener. So for this, we have to add, this is the unchecked change listener. So it has the checked is checked equal to true, that is a boolean. So if it is checked, it is checking that, okay, you are checking this or not, like this. So here I'm adding simply checked, means it is a true case. Now else means checked equal to true, something it should be, else you should add something here, else you should add something here, right? For this now here, now I want to add the text for the dot. Binding dot, right, binding dot. TV2, for the text v2, I'm assigning the data here now. That is TV2 dot set text equal to, so first one, I'm adding that check. And the second here, else case, it should be unchecked right here. Now added has unchecked. So that is checked and this is unchecked. So both I have added here. Now I'm running this. Now we'll see the output here. See here it is checked, unchecked, checked, unchecked, right? So this is working here like this, right? Now, in a similar way, we can go with the next step. So similar component, there is one more that we can say as a switch. So that we have to add here, switch. So this is also having the match parent wrap content. Even this as also has the same properties right here. So everything is same. This we can say has the switch or something. Then here this we can say has the switch. So for this also we will run and we'll see this first. It will on and off is working or not without writing the Kotlin code that we will see here first. See here now it is working. Right now for this also we'll apply the listener here. So that is here now binding dot switcher dot set on checked change listener on checked change. That means it is same. So here this if else also it is common for this. So here now I'll add that. So here instead of this now I'll add this S on S off, switch on, switch on. Now we will see that. See here now S on, S off, like switch on, switch off. Here it is changing the text, you can see. S on, S off. But similar one more here now. That is the toggle button. So toggle button, match parent, graph content, ID. So that is toggle. Then for this, there is no text. So that's why just I'm giving the margin and padding. So even this is also will work without launching that. That we will see here now. So this is a toggle button. Here now, on and off, it is also working. For this also we'll apply the listener. Even for this also, it is the same listener. So that is binding dot toggle dot set on checked change listener. So then here T on, T off, toggle on, toggle off. So then I'm running this. Now we will see. Here now. here and here, like this. So till this 3 components you can practice, and tomorrow we'll see the next.
Okay, sir.